Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Plug the extender into power within a few feet of the modem and turn the modem on first. Wait until the modem's status LEDs are steady. Do the same for the extender's power LED. You should have the router's SSID and password at hand so you don't pause mid-setup. Once both devices show stable power, move to connect via WPS or the extender's setup network. Pick whichever your extender supports to proceed quickly. You'll now link the extender to the modem. If both devices support WPS, press the modem's WPS button, then press the extender's WPS button within 2 minutes. A confirmation LED will show the link. If not using WPS, join the extender's temporary setup SSID on your phone or laptop and open its web portal or app. Enter your modem's SSID and Wi-Fi password when prompted. Choose 4 GHz. Finish by unplugging and relocating the extender to a midpoint where it still gets a strong signal from the modem. Aim for at least half signal strength on your device. Once placed, reconnect devices to the extended SSID and test speeds in target rooms. If something fails, reboot the extender and modem, rerun the setup sequence, or perform a factory reset and repeat. That resolves most pairing problems. If persistent, check for firmware updates or interference from cordless phones and move accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.